I gave you some questions, right? So, hello. For example, so last class I gave you this cold alkaline KMnO4, right? Cold alkaline KMnO4, or otherwise we can use OSO4, osmium tetroxide. So here is one more, RCO3H and H2O in presence of H plus. So cold alkaline KMnO4, I told you Bayer's reagent. Syn hydroxylation takes place. What exactly happens? Syn hydroxylation. Syn hydroxylation means what? Same site, the OH groups will attack. Here also same thing. Same site, the syn hydroxylation takes place. So actually RCO3H means what? R carboxylic acid, right? RCOH is a carboxylic acid. When it is having the peroxy linkage, per acids, RC double bond O, OOH. Otherwise we could say, we could take MCPBA, MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid. So in this case, trans hydroxylation takes place. Trans means what? Anti-addition. One is OH is front side, one more is back side. Just write it down, these three hydroxylations. I already told you which one, CAR. What is CAR? This anti-addition will get racemic mixture. For example, write the products. I am just taking the cis alkene, this MCPBr RCO3H, H2O, H plus. Write it down. Cis and trans. This is anti-addition, right? Right? Cis anti-addition will get racemic mixture. Cis anti-addition will get racemic mixture. Right? Trans anti-addition will get meso. EAM. Trans anti-addition will get meso. What will be the product? CH3 HOH HOH. Here is CH3 OH HOH. In this case, we'll get meso compound. What is meso? Compound should have the plane of symmetry. Write it down, the products. Next, MCPBA. MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid. So this is MCPBA. This is benzene, right? This is where called as benzoic acid. This is chlorine here, metachlorobenzoic acid. So this is P double bond O. This we could say the perbenzoic acid. Perbenzoic acid. Right? Meta chloro per benzoic acid. Metachloroperbenzoic acid. This we could say MCPBA. MCPBA. PBA. MCPB in shortcut. Metachloroperbenzoic acid. Metachlorobenzoic acid, that is, this is metachloroperbenzoic acid. So if you want, you can write this one also, because this is not a acid. Metachlorobenzoic acid. Metachlorobenzoic acid. So to explain this, I just gave you that. Okay. So what is the use of this metachloroperbenzoic acid? Same, anti-addition takes place. Anti means opposite directions OH group will attack. Okay now? Opposite side the OH groups will attack. So for example, same, write the products. They'll give MCPBA. Come on, write the products. Come on. Same like RC triple bond OH, anti-addition, come on, write it down. Then afterwards H2OH plus we'll add here. The two centers are there where this is attacks, where the electron reach. Come on, write the products. Okay, now this is cis, right? This anti-addition. What, Nana? Racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Trans anti-addition meso compound. In this case, Nana, so where the electron rich here is, because both are donating groups, electron rich, so in the electron rich place, OH remaining would be okay. Come on, write it down. Next, Nana, NBS reaction with NBS. So we need to know NBS. What is NBS? NBS. Hello. NBS, Nana. N-bromosuccinamide. What? N-bromosuccinamide. So we know succinic acid. What is succinic acid? This is oxalic acid. This is malonic acid. Right? This is succinic acid. Next one is glutaric acid. Next one is this is adipic acid. Glutaric acid. This is succinic acid. This is malonic acid. This is oxalic acid. Generally we could say, oh my such good apple, right? Oh my such good apple. Oh my such good apple. O means oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. So succinamide, NBS means succinamide. To explain the structure, I am just explaining all. Write it down, the people who don't know. Chandra. Next, this succinic acid, you can treat it with ammonia, amide. So directly I am writing this is C double bond O, C double bond O. This is N. Succinamide. Succinamide. 1, 2, 3, 4 succinic acid from we are deriving the amides. Here is the bromine. N-bromo. N-bromo. Succinamide. N-bromo succinamide. N-bromo succinamide. Succinamide means what? Only this is succinamide. This is succinamide. If you are adding the bromine, so N-bromo succinamide. So here is allylic bromination, allylic and benzylic. Write it down. The important thing is allylic and benzylic. Allylic and benzylic position, bromine or chlorine we generally. Here is bromine obviously. Allylic and benzylic positions. Allylic and benzylic positions. For example, CH2 double bond CH, CH3. Right? For example, if you are adding the NBS. What exactly happens? CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Br. Allylic position, bromine will be attacking. For example, if you can take benzoyl, this is benzylic position, NBS. At benzylic position, this is happening. Write it out. Here, this is allylic positions, either here or here. Anywhere you can attack. So double bond adjacent carbon were called as allylic. Write it down. The people who don't know. Double bond carbon adjacent carbon were called as allylic carbon. This is vinylic carbon. Allylic carbon. Allylic carbon, vinylic carbon. Same time, for example, say allylic chlorine, if you want to add the chlorine, allylic positions. CH2 double bond CH, CH3. Chlorine with a high temperature. Generally we used to take 500 degrees centigrade. 500 degrees centigrade. Generally we will use more and more. At allylic position, CH2Cl. Come on, write it out. At allylic position, chlorine also we can substitute. Next, polymerization reaction. Polymerization reaction. Polymer. So, polythene covers, you know, polythene. What is polythene? Polythene bags. Polythene covers, polythene bags. What are polythene covers? Polyethylene. Right? NCH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. Poly means many. At high temperatures and pressures, right? Polymerization takes place. So this is ethene, no? This is polyethene. 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 For example, Teflon, no? TF2 tetrafluoroethene. Right? This is Teflon, Teflon. For example, vinyl chloride. So vinyl chloride will get polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride means what? CH2 double bond CHCl. This is on polymerization. What will get? PVC pipes, you know? Hello. So this is polyvinyl chloride. PVC. Polyvinyl chloride. Poly means what? No? Many. Styrene. This we could say styrene. CH double bond CH2. Polymerization. Right? N. Polystyrene. Polystyrene. Polythene. Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. This is Teflon coating. So from cars or bikes they are using coating. That is called Teflon coating. CF2 polystyrene. Write it down. So actually some extra reactions also is there. Right? Walker's process. Those are not in our syllabus. So first whatever I told you right now. Otherwise just go through the NCERT. Right? First read those reactions first. So first basic things. So go through the NCERT, because in NCERT only some reactions are already there, but I explain a lot of reactions. Double bond onwards, alkenes here. Right, pi bond I explained, sigma bonds, pi bonds. So here is 134 picometers. Bond angle 116. Carbon and hydrogen, this bond is 121. Isomerism. So preparation from alkynes I already told you. So bridge reduction and Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst, synhydroxylation means these alkenes will get. So sodium in presence of liquid ammonia will get trans alkenes. So recently they asked the question from NCERT only. Reduction, normal reduction from alkyl halides, dehydroalcoholic KOH, we are using dehydrohalogenating agent. So only and dehydration, dehalogenation from alkynes, addition of those compounds, electrophilic addition reactions, free radical addition, that mechanisms. Free radical addition, I already explained all these reactions. Addition of sulfuric acid, same like KMnO4. Ozonolysis, addition of water. Directly polymerization, they explain. Okay, so just first these are enough first level. So go through the alkynes. For alkynes, I already explained how to do. So from calcium carbide on hydrolysis will get acetylene. Okay. And vicinal dibromoalkenes, so alcoholic KOH or NaNH2. Only two methods of preparation are there in alkynes. chemical properties. Next, just go through the NCRT for those reactions, but I gave you some more extra reactions and some more extra is there, but you people are confusing. So first level this one and second level I explain later.